Welcome to my channel. In the world of movies, data analytics is often portrayed as a near magical tool, capable of predicting the future, solving complex mysteries, or even controlling human behavior. However, the line between fact and fiction in this cinematic depiction is often blurred. In this video, we will explore how accurately Hollywood portrays data analytics by diving into the science behind some of your favorite movies. For example, we will take a closer look at Minority Report, a movie that imagines a future where data driven predictions are used to prevent crimes before they happen. While the movie presents a fascinating vision of what data analytics could achieve, we will separate the cinematic fiction from the reality of what data analytics can and cannot do in today's world. Minority Report is a science fiction directed by Steven Spielberg, set in a future where a specified police department, known as the Pre Crime Unit, uses advanced technology and predictive analytics to prevent crimes before they happen. The movie explores the concept of pre crime, where individuals are arrested based on predictions made by three psychics or precogs who can foresee future events. At the heart of this concept lies a data analytic system that collects, processes, and visualizes the precog's vision to predict and prevent criminal act. The film dives deep into the ethical implication of using data to predict human behavior, questioning the balance between security and free will. While the movie's portrayal of predictive analytics is heavily dramatized, it touches on the real world theme of big data, machine learning, and the challenge of relying on data driven decision in law enforcement. In Minority Report, data analytics play a crucial role in the film's central concept of pre crime, the idea that the crime can be predicted and prevented before they occur. Now we will go through multiple aspects using Minority Report as an example, and we will see the real world parallel of how data analytics or analytics can be conducted for the same scenario. We will go through aspects like predictive analytics, data collection and analysis, visualization and user interface, ethical concerns and bias, false positive and system failure, big data and automation. And we will see how data analytics is involved in all this process using the example of Minority Report. First, let us go through the aspect of predictive analytics. The core idea of pre-crime unit is that it uses data to predict future crimes. In the movie, this is achieved through the use of three precogs, who are individuals with psychic abilities that can foresee crime before they happen. Their visions are analyzed and the information is used to prevent crimes. Predictive analytics in real life involve analyzing historical data to predict future outcomes. While the movie uses a fictional supernatural method called precogs, the concept is loosely based on real world predictive analytics, where patterns in data are analyzed to foresee future events such as crime hotspots or potential fraud. Now, speaking about data collection and analysis, the pre-crime system gather vast amount of data from the precog's vision, which are processed and analyzed to determine when and where a crime will happen and who the suspects will be. These mirror how large datasets are collected and analyzed in real-world data science. In practice, data is collected from various sources like crime reports, social media, and surveillance footages, and then analyzed to find correlations and patterns that might indicate future events. Speaking about visualization and user interface, in the movie, a significant part of the movie's depiction of data analytics is the futuristic user interface that allow Tom Cruise's character John Anderton to manipulate and interact with data in a highly visual and intuitive way. He can move data around with his hand gestures, zoom in on details, and interact with 3D holographic displays. While we don't yet have the exact technology shown in the movie, data visualization is a critical component of analytics today. Tools like Tableau, Power BI, and custom dashboards allow users to interact with data in intuitive way without the holographic display. But with the emerging technologies like Apple Vision, similar things can be achieved in real world as well. This help decision makers understand complex data sets and make informed decision quickly. Now, speaking about the ethical concerns and bias, the film raises significant ethical questions about the use of predictive analytics, particularly regarding free will versus determinism. It questions the morality of arresting someone for a crime they haven't yet committed based on predictions. There is also the potential for bias in how the data is interpreted or how the system is used. These ethical concerns are very relevant today, especially in areas like predictive policing, where algorithms might reinforce biases or lead the wrongful predictions. Data can be skewed, and the interpretation of predictive models can have serious ethical implications, especially in law enforcement. And other major problem faced by similar systems are false positive and system failure. The movie explored the idea of false positive. When the system predicts a crime that doesn't actually happen, there is also a subplot involving the potential manipulation of the system and potential error that can happen because of the system. In data analytics, false positives are non-issue, particularly in predictive models. For example, a predictive policing algorithm might wrongly identify an innocent person as a potential criminal, leading to unjust outcomes. These highlight the importance of accuracy and reliability in data driven systems. Talking about big data and automation in the movie, the pre-crime system automate the process of crime prevention based on vast amount of data generated by the precogs. The system's automation reflect a high degree of trust placed in the data-driven decisions. Automation in data analytics is increasingly common, with machine learning models autonomously making decisions or triggering actions based on real-time data. However, like in the movie, there are concerns about over reliance on automated systems and the need for human oversights. In conclusion, Minority Report offers a fascinating glimpse into the potential of predictive analytics, blending science fiction with the real world data concepts. While the film portrays of pre-crime technology and its predictive algorithm is a work of fiction, it underscores important discussions about the ethical and practical implications of data-driven decision making. Through our analysis, we have seen how movies' vision, though speculative, align with the current data analytic trend and raises crucial questions about privacy, accuracy, and the limit of predictive technology. By comparing the film's portrayal with the real world data practices, we gain insight into the potential and the pitfall of such technologies. As we continue to explore the interaction of data and fiction, it is important to remember that while movies like Minority Report may stretch the boundary of reality, they also inspire real world innovation and discussion. By critically examining these fictional representations, we can better understand and shape the future of data analytics in our own world. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more insights into the world of data analytics. Thank you.